At Quantum, we understand exactly how costly it can be to you, the client, when your drives are down. If one of your drives do fail, all you've got to do is simply give us a call and speak to one of our experienced engineers. If it is an emergency, then we'll respond immediately and get your plant back up and running as quick as we can.
Hello, Quantum Controls, Luke speaking, how can I help?
Hi, I've got a failed drive on site. It's blown and showing short circuit. Could I get an engineer out to inspect it, please?
Yeah, that's no worries, we'll have an engineer straight over to you.
Right, that's great. Thanks.
If it's not an emergency, then we'll advise you about how to get the drive up to our workshop for a repair and a test. At Quantum, we've established ourselves as the largest supplier of variable speed drives and support services in the UK, winning the prestigious UK Drive and Motor Supplier of the Year award for the last 4 years running. Quantum Controls have the largest stock of drive spares in the UK, and we have the logistics to get our spares to you at any time, 24/7, to meet our engineers to carry out the repairs. At Quantum, we have a full load test facility where we can test up to megawatt power ratings, and we also have videos set up so every test and every repair that we do, we'll do a full load test and we will send you the video as evidence that it's been done for your records. Once the drive has been repaired, fully tested, and we're happy that it's ready to come back to you, then the drive will be brought back to site by our experienced engineers, reinstalled and fully commissioned, getting you back up and running quite often within several hours. And it's imperative that you know our number, because when you have a problem next time, that's the number you need to call to get yourself back up and running.